Hello guys, so today we are going to learn about why multiple inheritance is not supported by the classes in Java but are allowed through the interfaces. And the reasons behind that is just to simplify the class hierarchy in Java and to reduce the unexpected behaviors and making the class easy to understand and maintain. And also there is one scenario related to the diamond problems. So to avoid its complexity and ambiguities, classes don't support multiple inheritance but are allowed through interfaces. So first we will go through what the diamond problem looks like, for which Java has made it a no-no for the classes to have multiple inheritance. So this is the structure of the diamond problem where there are three classes involved: class A, class B, class C, and class C inherits from both A and B. And consider in this example here how class A and B and C are there. So in class A there is one method named display. It has its own implementation. Then there is class B with the same method name display with its own implementation. And consider now class C inherits from both A and B. Then which display method will the C inherit and which would be called? So this becomes an ambiguity for class C, and to avoid this problem, classes don't support multiple inheritance. So then how interfaces support multiple inheritance? Because in interfaces same situation can occur. So how interfaces overcomes this? So there are two situations how multiple inheritance will occur in interfaces, and by the explanation of that you will get to know how interfaces will handle multiple inheritance and ambiguity. So consider this case. So it is similar to the above one, like there is one interface A and interface B, and they both have a display method, but they don't have its implementation because in interfaces methods can be extract. So here, since we don't have any implementation of the display method, so now in class C it inherits from both A and B, and because the display method of A and B are both abstract and don't have its implementation, class C has to provide its own implementation details. So that's how class C will have its own implementation, and there will be no situation of ambiguity in this case. Now you would also say that interfaces support default methods which can have its own implementation. So how does the Java's interface overcome that problem? So let's see here. So here again, there is display method in both A and B interfaces, and they have their own implementation and they both are default. So for class C, if it wants to use the default methods of A or B, its parent class, it has to use this super keyword along with the class name. Like here, the class A's display method would be used. And similarly, if it wants to use the B's display method, it has to use the class name B. So that's how ambiguity is resolved in the case of interfaces with default methods. And these are the only two cases where interfaces can support multiple inheritance, and it is able to overcome both of these situations. So that's why interfaces support multiple inheritance, but classes don't. So thank you for sticking with me. Hope it clears why don't support multiple inheritance, but interfaces do. So please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Hope I can make more better videos like this. Thank you.